Hi guys, welcome to my channel, created here by Nikki. Today I'm going to be doing the rice water method of growing your hair. So today I've got hair today in a jar. Soak rice water overnight, and I put a bit of aloe vera. I put a bit of lemon, and you can put lemon skin or you can put lemon water. And here I've got some rosemary as well, which I added to it because after soaking the rice, for some reason it smells. And guys, this is already soaked for 24 hours. I just want to show you how your rice should be. It should be easy to break, like crumble. So this is soaked for 24 hours. And guys, as I said, you can use rosemary and soak it with the water, or some lemon skin, or some lime. And also guys, you need to add a bit of water because this is mine that I've already made. Yes, and I've had water to it and a bit of sesame seed oil. So there you go guys, that's the rice. You add some water to it. You don't have to limit how much water you add. You don't have to limit how much rice you add. You just make sure guys, when you're soaking the rice, you put it in a seal bottle, like a sealed container. If you don't have a lid, you can put some cling film on it. And remember as well, after using it, you're gonna notice that horrible smell. So you can use lemon or rosemary and soak it with the water. And also, it will be too strong for your hair, so after soaking it, add water to it, and then you can add it to a spray bottle. Because I've tried this technique guys, and remember, you can strain it. So after soaking it, strain it. Obviously there's gonna be water in it, and that remaining water, that's what you're going to use. So I've tried this technique on my son's hair, and I'm going to show you guys the end result. He's grown his hair a lot within 2 months time. So guys, I'm also trying it for myself. So that's it. I had some sesame seed oil in my hair, so now I'm soaking it, the rice water, make sure it gets the roots. Mine is smelling actually amazing. Make sure you get to the roots guys. So I'm going to be doing a follow-up, a part 2 on this, to show you guys my result, because I'm going to be showing you guys my son's result. So I'm going to be doing a part 2 to show my result using the rice water and the sesame oil. It's making my hair smelling and feeling amazing. Guys, if you want to plait your hair or twist it after, you can go ahead and do so, but for now, I'm just going to be catching up mine in one. Thanks for watching. Follow me on my rice water journey. Like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.